Oh, the green hair. The old hair. One hundred two.
What are they eating?
Wait, what's in the here too?
Carrots and the hay.
How the hungry too? Hungry to the hay. Food.
Yeah. What about your kangaroo here? I think she's hungry.
No time.
Yeah.
Bunny rabbit.
Bunny rabbit. Maybe your horse can carry the bunny right here until she can eat some food. Linc, did you go potty? I think I smell something. Did you go poop?
A horse fell down. A horse fell down.
Oh no. Is she okay?
It's okay.
Is she hurt? Does she have a bruise or a boo-boo?
The kids obey.
Huh? Does she have a bruise?
So the butcher.
Huh? Okay, I smell something. Today is March 15th. We have less than 3 weeks till baby Jax comes. And it's a beautiful sunny day here in Leuven. Probably 60 degrees maybe.
Is that okay?
Lincoln, can you say bye?